Cupping. So basically what it is, it's a suction cup, right? Creates a little suction, creates a little bit of lift. It gives me a handle to grab the skin. When somebody does massage is pressing in. This gives me a chance to kind of create a little bit of a lift, a negative pressure. Because you have that swelling, that little pocket of swelling in there, this lets me kind of grab it and pull some of that fluid out of that area. Let this come down. And it usually feels pretty comfortable. No pain, no discomfort.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't had any what I would call severe pain.
Good.
Right there.
Right there. Yeah.
Can you tell?